Hello and welcome back. In previous section, we have created Cordova application. So just we have written Cordova create hello. So we got a hello project created. So we will go into that folder cd hello, and now we will see the folder structure. ls command if you are using MacBook or Ubuntu, and if you are into Windows laptop, then you can write dir, so you can see directory. So here I'll write ls. So we can see we have config.xml, package.json, plugins, www, hooks file, platforms, and res. So now we will go one by one and we will see why we are using that and what it all about. So this is a Cordova project structure where hello will be the folder where Cordova project resides, and then inside hello project we will see www, platform, plugins, hooks, and all other things. So the www folder contains the project's web artifact such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. As a Cordova application developer, most of your code and assets will be here. They will be copied into a Cordova, prepared to each platform's www directory. The www source directory is reproduced within each platform subdirectories, appearing for examples like in platforms inside iOS www folder, or in Android platform folder. There will be an assets www folder. So we will check about platforms folder when we will add the platform. Okay, so another directory we have is platform directory, where contain all the source code and build script for the platform that you add to your projects, even it's Android or iOS. So related to that project, it will come into that platform folder. Another folder is plugin folder, where any added plugins will be extracted and copied into this directory. And when we add the new platform like Android, iOS, Windows, or any other platform, they copy all the plugins from here and they copy it from here, and they again send to that respective platform directory. Okay. Then next folder is hooks folder. Hooks folder basically represents a special script which could be added by application and plugin developers, or even by your own build system to customize Cordova commands. Any scripts you add to these directories will be executed before and after the commands corresponding to the directory name. Useful for integration your own build system, or sometimes integrated with version control system. So this is useful like that. Another folder we can see here, res. So resource folder, basically this folder contains the icons and images for Android, iOS, and basically we can note here that these image resources are not copied into a project when a project is created with the command line interface. Although these are default image resources in newly created Cordova project, those comes from the platform specific project template, which can generally be found platform's template directory. And until icons and splash screens icons support is added to the CLI, those images resources are not used directly actually. So next file we can see here, config.xml, which configure your application and allow you to customize the behavior of project. So in we will see about the config.xml in briefly. So as of now, we can say in config.xml file we edit something like your package ID, your project name, and your about your developers information. All those things you can edit. Apart from this, you can identify your platforms, which type of platform you have added, what plugins you have added. All those things will configure in the config.xml. So later on we will see the structure of config file. So last file is package.json. Basically, as we can see from Cordova 7 plus onward release, the package.json is always be created to mirror the config.xml. Whenever you run Cordova prepare command, so if it does not exist, it will created again. Like if you delete the package.json and you run command Cordova prepare, it will auto generate, and they copied few things from config.xml. So it will always preferences, but only for the things defined in it, like plugins, platforms, and for other config options from config.xml will still be used. Fine. So that's all. So in the next chapter we will see how to add and remove plugins and the platforms, all those things, and we will create our first Cordova application and we will run it. Thanks for watching.